Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you for clicking through, thank you for stopping by to watch this video. So if this is your first time seeing me, you're not seeing me by accident, it's not a coincidence, you're seeing me here. So my name is Hilda. I make videos on natural hair, lifestyle, beauty and the likes. So today I'm actually having my wash day, so I want to show you my wash day routine. Hold up, I actually didn't add my wash day routine to this video because I noticed it just made the video unnecessarily lengthy. So I'm going to film another video where I'm having just my wash day routine for you guys to see. Enjoy. With something different, with a touch of something, you get. So I'm going to be using CHEBE powder and KARKAR oil on my hair, but then it's different. You know, if you've been following me, that's for like the OGs, the people that have been there since scratch. If you've been following my videos, you'll see that I actually did a video where I used CHEBE powder and KARKAR oil on my hair. So this particular video is like an updated version of that video. I'm just going to be using a different method of applying CHEBE powder and KARKAR oil on your hair. So what I'm doing basically is I'm using the CHEBE infused in water. So if you've watched my previous video, I'll link it somewhere here for you to click on it. I left my review about using CHEBE powder and KARKAR oil. That method I used is different from the method I'm going to be using today. Today I'll show you people how I make my CHEBE infused in water. Yeah. So this is just going to be like more of a spray stuff. So I'll show you the preparation and I'll show you how I'm applying it. That's by the way. Then, like I said earlier on, I'm having my wash day. I just took out my 3 weeks old chuku. So I took my hair out and then this is what my hair is looking like. You guys, on the 24th of February, my hair is going to be 1 year old. So I already said it in my last video where I was talking about my life updates and stuff. I said I was going to do a video compilation of how I grew my hair for the past 1 year. So watch out for that video. I don't want to waste so much time. I'm talking so much already. Let's just get straight into the process. So I'm just going to show you quickly how I prepare my CHEBE infused in water. I have my KARKAR oil, my CHEBE powder, this wig cap, my spray bottle, and yeah, the cup I'm going to be using to do this extraction. So first things first, I remove my wig cap, I wear it into the cup, and then I use a rubber band to secure it so it doesn't fall out. Next, I pour my CHEBE into the cup, and I add this hot boiling water into it. So this is just to extract all the CHEBE and then just leave the residue you get. So after that, I just covered it up and left it for like 15 to 30 minutes. And yeah, you can see what I have in the cup. But I just felt like this wig cap didn't do justice to it. I didn't want to have any residue, so I used this face towel to filter again. And yeah, I used the rubber band to secure it, and I poured the CHEBE infused water into the bowl to just help filter it some more. You can see we still have little residue there. And yeah, after this, I knew I already had what I wanted. So this is what our CHEBE infused in water is looking like. The next thing I'm going to be doing is to add my KARKAR oil. So CHEBE powder and KARKAR oil work hand in hand. You can't use one and not use the other. After that, I just mixed it well with this spoon and I left it somewhere to cool.
A few moments later.
So guys, I'm done washing my hair and I feel so good. I feel fresh actually because after washing my hair, I had my bath and I feel fresh. Okay, so yeah, you guys would have seen in the previous clips how I made my CHEBE infused water. So I'm just going to be showing you guys the mixture. So I already poured it in my spray bottle and here it is. Yeah, so it's still warm. I'm going to shake this very well and just spray this on my head. So you guys, this method is way better than the previous one I tried. Like that one was like hell. Having to wash the whole CHEBE out of my hair was something else, because it feels grainy and sandy. So if you don't wash it well, it's going to end up giving you dandruff. But I would highly recommend this method. You know why? Because now the way this is, you can use it anytime, and you don't necessarily need to preserve it, like put it in the fridge or anything. It's just fine the way it is here. Don't be scared, it's not going to have any growth or anything like that. So this is way better, and the process is actually faster. If not because I wanted to just have my wash day, I could actually just spray this on my cornrows if I'm on cornrows, and you know, I'm done. I'm just going to spray this on my hair, after which I would apply my Jamaican black castor oil hair and scalp conditioner. I would also, okay, lest I forget, so some other people add other essential oils for hair growth in this, but I didn't add any. So some people add the Jamaican black castor oil, but I don't have the Jamaican black castor oil. What I have is the Jamaican black castor oil hair and scalp conditioner. So it's different. It's more like creamy, not oily. You get, so I can't pour that into this. But if you have that, you can also add that. Some people put olive oil and some other essential oils. You can add it inside and then just spray on your hair. But I don't have that, so I'm going to be using what I have. I'm just going to spray this all over my hair.
So CHEBE helps with moisture. It also helps in strengthening your hair and also reduces breakage. And CHEBE and KARKAR oil work hand in hand, like I said earlier on.
After spraying this, I'm just going to like use my hand to massage it into my hair.
I'm going to drop a link in the description box where you can read up on CHEBE and its benefits. Make sure you check the description box down below.
After that, this is my Wonder Grow Jamaican black castor oil and scalp conditioner. I'm going to be using this also, just a little amount.
I also want to tell you guys that this CHEBE infused water doesn't have a bad smell, so there's nothing to be worried about.
The next thing I'm going to go in with is my Cantu conditioning creamy hair lotion. I'm going to apply this. I'm going to massage my scalp like this. So yeah, after massaging my scalp, like my hair feels good. Like I wish you guys can feel my hair texture. Like it feels heavenly. So yeah, after doing this, I'm just going to comb my hair out and then put it in either cornrows or just mat it one, maybe dookie braids, and I'll catch you guys when I'm done with that. Hi guys, I'm back. I'm tired, man. I just finished twisting my hair, so this is what it's looking like right now. Let me give you guys a 360 look. Yeah, so I didn't do much. I just added more leave-in conditioner in my hair and then I twisted it out. So the final thing I'm going to be doing now is just to spray this CHEBE infused water on my hair, and then I'll just wrap my hair up and go to bed. So here's my CHEBE infused water. Just shake it as well and then just spray it too. So yeah guys, I'm done spraying that on my hair. So we've come to the end of this video. I really hope you're able to take something out of this video. Please, if you try this out, let me know in the comment section down below how yours turned out and if you actually enjoyed this method than the other method. Finally, I want to thank you people so much. We hit 5,000 total views. That means all my videos together 5,000 views. I'm so happy. I couldn't have done this without you guys' help. Thank you so very much for watching. Thank you for always sticking with me. I really do appreciate you guys. You guys are the best. Like, you guys are the best. We keep pushing. Road to 200 subscribers. As of now, we're on 174 subscribers, and I know we can hit 200 subscribers. Please don't just watch, just subscribe, like, share. Share. You could share this with anybody you know is on natural hair for them to try it out. Also, if you watched to this point, I love you. Just know that I love you. Thank you for sticking with me through to the end of this video. I don't take it for granted. If you're new, please subscribe. Hit the subscribe button down below. Please just subscribe. I have amazing content. You can check through my previous videos. You might see something that might interest you there. Yes, so hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video. And don't forget to like this video if you actually liked it. Don't forget to like. Yeah guys, so we've come to the end of this video, and I'll catch you in my next video.